That's it, Paige. Gotta get in the middle. Why are you playing with me? You don't need to be me. Come on, get the puck, get the puck. Take the shot. Oh. Nice. You got time?
Yeah, if you need. Yeah, we got 40.
Ah! All right, sorry. What's up, Dan?
I was working on it.
Not bad.
What's up?
Yeah, Mark. Yeah, Mark.
Are you allowed to, if this thing without benefits happens, are you allowed to get rid of your benefits and
Yeah.
get a lot more money back in your check?
Yep.
That's awesome.
I'm hoping that it
It
works.
looks not going well.
Yeah.
It's happening. They
Mine said they take the
turn down the TRO.
United.
Yeah. Oh, good. Who said that? Your current doctor?
Yeah, my doctor. Yeah, go, go. 3-on-1.
We got one on.
Good one. Go, Anthony. Get on him.
I see like one. 9-1, whoever that is. Oh, they beat us. There, I got it.
Nice, Mac. Oh.
Take that hard, take that hard.
Shoot! Oh. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Yeah.
Why? Just curious. Yeah. Okay, good. You want to play at 9 tonight?
I am already with the SEAL team.
Right.
Verse you.
Good. Our healthcare is going to be Choice Plus. That's you have to mention Choice Plus because you're not healthcare is
Yeah,
lots of different PPOs, whatever.
yeah.
Ours is
Because a lot of
Choice
people are like, yeah, we take it, and then they take like
Plus.
a portion
no,
of
no,
it.
but take it. You never say ticket. Is it? Are you in network? Because even out here, a lot of people take GHI, but they're not in network. They say, yeah, we take
Oh.
it. That's a bad word. I learned that my first 6 months living here. Everybody takes it, but it's not in network, so it's a huge difference, as we know.
Ah.
So don't ask, do you take it? Ask, are you in network?
Ooh. Oh, nice.
Maybe. Talk to me at the end of the game.
Can you touch her?
Because I did not even, I have not even anything about the game. Yeah. I would have prepped it for them coming out. Stick it in. We got enough to at least. Well, you can get it. If we can punch both.
Oh, nice try, Ant. Good fucking shot.
Iron Man, right?
Nice, John. Oh, nice give and go. Ooh. I don't even think you've seen that one coming.
Red jersey's throwing me a bit. What do you got, John? Nice one.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Damn.
I'll look down.
Good shit, boys. Pat, stay the fuck away from me.
No. You're a beautiful man. I will be with you tonight.
Sorry. Ah. Go. Look across. Ooh, nice. Go, Paige, go, go. You got Nate left. Go, Paige. Take a shot. Oh. Nice, Mark. Ooh, sorry.
Wheels there, wheels!
Oh, nice. Go, Kella.
Oh yeah!
Shoot it!
That's right. Would you play it again? Yeah, mighty folks?
Yeah, you want to play?
Sure, play. I can probably sit with you.
That's good for sure.
You are the manager, Definitely switched.
Take a shot! Nice! Good playing.
Trying to spin in circles.
If you got a shot that's close, take the shot. You pass. I mean, you're passing it great. I'm not gonna. But take a few shots because you got some. You're in a good spot, and you could probably knock a few in. For real.
Yeah, I'll take the next one. Trying to make this stuff.
No, listen. I get it. I get it.
This is where we get to when both David and Nick are.
Oh. Oh, he just got by him. Ooh. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Woo! Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Woo! Oh shit! He fucking rang that.
Was that over his shoulder?
Yeah, that was right top corner. Short side.
Finish it, finish it.
That was a fucking good shot. Wow. That was fucking nice.
I gotta think of something to say that takes away from the use of the ball.
That's it.
Nate, be real, you aiming 5-hole, right?
I crafted that.
That was a great shot.
Maybe it was saucy.
I'm very jealous of that one. That was a good. That was a good shot. That was my shot. That was a shot I would do.
You guys style ball.
It really was, man. Top corner like that. Short side.
Yeah.
Hey, but she went back and deleted it, so you can't have it.
Oh shit! The camera's not on. I'm kidding.
Wait, the red light means off, right?
Yeah, red light means off.
You wouldn't know, man.
All right.
Got the white benefits here.
Are you wearing two different skates?
No, I'm two different. Very nice one, bro. And like a salad and over as well, you know.
You want to go, Sean?
Okay, you can go.
Yeah. That's doing the work, man. Try to stop it. No. He texted me earlier. I was like, would it be rude to put Keller on you? He was like, no, he's getting his extra free plays. I prefer to. I suck it up. I'll go wherever you need me, but yeah.
Right, the extra play time is the extra play time. It's all that matters.
I need the exercise in damn chapter. Oh, shit. Yeah, stay out there as long as you want, man. I'm here just to fill in for you guys. This is your team. I ain't trying
Oh, nice, Paige! Oh! Nice shot, Johnny!
Time's not running.
It's all right, this is more playtime.
Yeah, I shouldn't say anything next time.
Oh, come on, Nate. Oh! Oh! Dude, Nate's looking hard for that second one. Oh, you got time, you got time. Oh, nice, Mike. Oh! Oh! Nice! Wow.
All you, nobody else.
Yeah, that was pretty. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I know they used Nice work. What side do you like, by the way?
Usually left, but don't worry. We'll switch it up in a minute. Oh, nice shot, Ant! got time, Chris. Right up front. Nice.
Great work, guys. Way to draw, man.
Fucking Nick.
No, they were all good. Just the last couple.
Nick blocked my shot. I thought.
I thought, man.
Dude, oh man, it was.
Diaz is hungry.
I was real hungry. That one almost went in five. That was a good shot.
Yeah.
I tried to get it. I was gonna pass it to Chris, but you were wide open.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, and you were right in front. You had the thing ready
Yeah.
to shoot it. Perfect.
Yeah, this goalie's good.
Yeah, he is.
He's not giving up any shitty rebounds.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's.
exactly.
He's like, You're good. You're good. Yeah, you had. I mean, you were wide open. You had it.
Good try, Pat. Oh, nice, Paige. Oh, too much.
He had it.
Oh, he still had it.
Oh, good try. Look up. You got. Pop the stick. Oh, almost.
There you go. Let's back up. Yes, you got first change, by the way.
What?
You got first change, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Nate with the body.
Nate is not in here.
Let the bodies hit the floor.
Like that.
Right? Johnson has enough.
Oh!
Right? Johnson has enough.
Oh! Wow. That was actually very impressive.
Johnson, you would not be denied, my man.
Quite impressive. Quite impressive. Go, John! Ooh. Oh, fucking Nick. Oh. Yeah, Mark!
Always 30 seconds too
Nice. No, that was good. Oops, sorry. Oh! Oh, nice. Get out there. Look up! Nice, Mike. Good save.
Is that how you want me to play that?
Go, Nate. Oh, fucking Johnny got it out of the air. Nice, Mark. Nice one, Johnny. He got me. Nice, good shit out there. Man, had a good shot on that one.
Hey, I was waiting your way in that shot. I missed in that 3 times in one shift. Couldn't even hit the goal.
Nice, Paige, go, skate it up. Oh.
Johnson, I wanted to get that one to you, man, but I figured it just let me have that shot when you walk in.
You gotta take
held it a little longer.
You gotta take that shot. Oh! He fucking turned his head thinking it went in, and he didn't shoot it. Yeah. Fuck.
Oh man, that hurts after that great shit.
We had a lot of good shots. I don't believe I had that one in front. I fucking had him in the corner. Just stepped out a little bit more than I thought. I thought I had it. That was my problem. I was thinking.
You put some pig.
If we get more than like 40 seconds for playing with shit, which I'm assuming we will, I'm gonna change regardless of the period ends.
Yeah.
We're gonna need some energy.
No, one more period. We can do this. Oh, go, 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 John. Oh.
I think we'll find someone at 8 o'clock.
Good save! Good Mark. What an amazing save.
Woo! Yeah, Mark.
Sub back to back.
To be able to see it if Danny wasn't in the fucking way. Oh, oh,
You
oh.
guys are going so hard, end to end, back and forth. I'm tired.
We can dream. All right. Oh. Oh.
Okay, you got 2 on 1. Oh! Stay there up front.
Come in, son, Paige. Oh. Go to it.
Oh, nice stop, Paige.
Oh!
Slow down, Elise. Oh, fake out.
Oh. $50 seconds. Nice, you got Paige on the other side. Go back, go back. Oh yeah, Paige.
Nice, Paige.
Go, go, Paige! Stay with it. 20 seconds, come to him.
Nice, Mark.
Guys trying to toad. Nice, good shit out there.
Always.
Nice, Paige. Way to get it to him. Good try.
How we feel about lines?
Yeah, I mean, we're playing great.
The great period, just
There's
really.
just a couple bounces that haven't fallen. That's really it.
Yeah, a couple of goals he fucking
Paige,
blocked.
is that a shot?
Yeah, they scored on the rebound too, so I'm mad about it.
Insult to injury, you know?
Who's Ash?
He just let that get some water right now.
Yeah.
God, that's fucked up in 1 second.
Listen, we're doing good with the passes too. I mean, we're playing everything.
Slow it down. I don't need to rush it up.
That goal was a fluke, by the way.
Oh, it was
Yeah.
You know what happened? You looked behind you thinking they scored. When you looked up, it came in and I don't think you were ready for it.
Yeah,
And it
I
went off.
blocked the first one. And
Did it go off somebody's boot or somebody?
I blocked the first one. There was a rebound. After
Yeah, I
that.
think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it hit off Ashton or if it just went in on that angle. But I know you looked over and you're like, where'd the puck go? And then when you looked forward, like it was already, the puck was in motion. Because I didn't see it. I was like, what the?
I'm considering a shutout still. I don't know about it.
I know whose it is at least.
I don't count
Spiritually.
At least when I'm playing goalie, I put that in my head. I'm like,
Everything we're doing is fine.
that's how you get to the next
Wait,
net.
as a goalie, you assign blame to defenders in your head because I love
Early, actually. It's always on me.
No, I love that. You assign blame to everyone else. Be like, fuck Tim on that one. That was Tim's fault. What's
That's
he
right.
doing taking slap shots? We should be helping.
That I knew.
Sorry, what am I doing being up so far up and oh?
This one's Luke's fault in particular. I'm of course the default to blame. It's fine.
Yeah, ah, fucking Pat.
Our heads are
Good doing a goalie game.
Oh shit, Johnny! Nice fuck. Woo! Fucking broke my legs. I thought I had enough. My stick's not long enough. Nice.
going tonight?
Only if I get a goal.
Yeah, there you go.
If I get a goal, it goes on that night. No goal, might be a week. Ah,
Is that going to highlights?
the low lights. Ah, it was a fucking meatball for Mike. Not a meatball like that.
That is a meatball right down the middle. Hey, you take him.
I would have hit that at yourself. They would have went backwards.
Where'd it go? It's in your own.
Wait, did he shoot it yet? It's more like it.
All right.
Took it off when I had the chance, Paige.
I don't think he meant to put it like that.
Should never let that shot get through.
No, there's nothing. Nice. Oh.
I think we're out playing now. He's not getting the rebounds. 2 of their goals are just rebounds.
Yeah.
Luke rebounds at that. Hey, just skate with it. Just skate with it. Just skate. I go like the same thing. Nice. Oh! Wow! Nice pass.
Get up there, Ashton, a little. Come on. Too late, too late, too late. Oops, sorry. Stay with it, John. Nice, Paige. Go, 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 John.
Move. Oh, nice.
Oh. Nice, Mike. That was a good move.
Goal just made a good save there, John.
Yeah. Keep it.
It's a good shot. He made a good
That was a
save.
good shot. Oh, close that door, and got Ashton on the other side. Oh, good pass. Oh, give it a Nate, give it a Nate.
Oh, love that.
Nice. All right, good shit. Oh, I thought that was you, Nate. Go, 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 go. Nope. Skate it in. Get it in. Get up there, Ant. Yeah. Let's go, top corner. Nice pass, Ashton. Oh. He fucking dropped down to his knees. I had that top corner. Short side. Damn it. What'd you put money on?
Bangs, I need Logan Stank over and Logan Stank over and Jackson Blake to score. One on. 5 to 100. I need them both to score though. Play the cat! Oh. Aho score 1 to 1. I mean, that's good, but that's not good.
Damn you, Aho.
I need fucking.
Damn it.
Jackson wanted to wear this thing on this floor. Good defense, Keller.
Go, go, go! You by yourself.
Yes, yes, yes.
Go, go, go.
I'll go over.
What? No, no, he was up before me anyway. It don't matter. I stayed out there a little long anyway. It's all good. Ooh!
You gotta keep it as it is.
There you go. You got Paige up front. Oh, nice. Good positioning.
Nice. Oh.
Oh! Wow. Great pass on that one. That one was good. Yeah. Thank you. What?
I guess we mean business now. Probably in timeout with a minute and a half left.
So only one goal down. It's possible.
Good game. It's
It's a
fun.
great game. It's very even.
I'll go down and take it. Luke, if it comes down this way, I'm coming off here. Come on. Like if it comes out of our offensive zone, I'm gonna come out. If I get it back here.
What's this guy's first name?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay. Terrible with names.
Come on, here.
He's got enough, but like, don't muck this up too much.
I got Velcro on. I got Velcro.
Pressure, pressure, one person, pressure. Got two, one. Oh, what?
Go in.
Nice. One minute shot, one, push up there.
That was nice.
There we go. That was a great play.
I heard you pass. I couldn't. I had to get it around before I passed it.
That's it. Right there. Go ahead, Nate.
Yeah.
Nice. That's it.
Yeah. Good game. Thanks for playing. Yeah, it wasn't a goal, but hey, an assist is a point. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Nice, Ant. Thanks for playing with us. Great playing, Mike. You got all mine. Good game, guys. Good game, guys.